Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start exercise 1.2. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at a counter on the first, second, third, fourth, and final day are respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, 2751. Find the total of the tickets sold on 4 days. So here on first day we have 1094. Second day 1812, on third day 2050, and on fourth day we have 2751. As it is said that we have to find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days, so we have to add all of them. So tickets sold on 4 days is equal to, just we have to add it. So 4 plus 2 7, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 10 20, 0 carry 2, 2 plus 10 plus 7 17, carry 1, 3 plus 4 7. So total is 7707. Second question. Shekhar is famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Total runs scored by Shekhar is 10,000 runs, and the runs he scored is 6980. So the runs left to complete 10,000, we have to subtract it here. So it is equal to, here we have to borrow it from further, so we will get 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 6 3. So the remaining is 3020 runs. Next, an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes, and his nearest rival, he collected 3,48,700 runs. So by what margin did the successful candidate win? So here we just have to find out the difference between both of them so that we can get the final answer. So we have to subtract them. Successful candidate 5,77,500 and rival secured 3,48,700. We have to just subtract them both. So we will get 0 0, borrow here, 15 minus 7 8, 16 minus 8 again 8, 6 minus 4 2, and 5 minus 3 2. So the winner candidate has collected 2,28,800 more. Fourth question. Kirti sold at bookstore books worth 2,85,891 in first week of June, and second week she sold 4,76,668. So how much sale is greater? In which week it was greater? We have to find out, and how much was it? So we can say here directly that books in second week was greater than the books in first week. So now we have to find out by how much. So we have to just find out the difference and we have to subtract it both. 4,768 minus 2,85,891. We have to just subtract them both. So we will get the final answer. First we are going to find out how much cell is going to be get together. So here for that part we have to just add it. For together means total cell we have to add them. 9, 15, so carry 1 and 5, 15 plus 1 16, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 0 8, and 4 plus 2 6. So total salary is 6,86,659 rupees. Now the difference we have to subtract it. So 8 minus 1, we will move towards that. 7, 16 minus 9, again 7, 16 minus 8, 8, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, and 3 minus 2, 1. So it is 1,14,877 rupees. Fifth question, find the difference between the greatest and the least that can be written using these two numbers. So we have to just arrange first both of them into a form of greatest and smallest number. So the greatest number, we just have to write the numbers in descending order. So the greatest number is 7, 6, 4, 3 and 2. So the greatest number is 76,432, and the smallest we have to just arrange in ascending. It's in the reverse form, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So it is 23,467. Now we have to find out the difference between them. So it is as mentioned, we have to just subtract them. So borrow there, and 12 minus 7, 5, 12 minus 6, 6, 13 minus 4, 9, 5 minus 3, 2, and 7 minus 2, 5. So the difference is 52,965. Sixth question, a machine on an average manufacture 2825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January of 2006? So in one day it is 2825. So in January we have 31 days. So we have to just multiply them. 2825 multiplied by 31. You should remember that in January month there are 21 days. Multiplying them, two 2825 into 1, that is 2825, putting a 0, 15 carry 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, 8 3 is 24, 4 carry 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2 8. Now add all of both of them. So the final answer will be like 5, 7, 15, 5 carry 1, 7, 8. So total number of screws produced in January month is 87,575. 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order of 40 radio sets, each of rupees 1200. So how much money will remain with after the purchase? So here we have one radio for 1200 rupees, and she has ordered 40 radios. So amount to be paid is equal to number of radios multiplied by cost of each radio. So we will get 40 into 1200. We will put the number of zeros aside. We know that 12 fours are, it is 48, and 3 zeros, so it is 48,000 rupees. First part is over here. Now we have to find out the remaining amount. So for the remaining amount is equal to, she had rupees 78,592 rupees, and she has placed an order is equal to rupees 48,000. We have to just subtract them to find out the amount left with her. So 29503. So she has 30,592 rupees left with her. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying it by 56. By how much he is greater? Answer. When we have to, what is the correct answer? Means he has made a mistake to multiply the number 7236 by 65 in place of 56. So we just have to subtract them, and here it is not necessary that we don't have to multiply it twice. So we have to just multiply and subtract it together. If we go it by multiplying both the numbers, so it will be the lengthy answer. So we are taking a shortcut method. We will just first take the difference and multiply it by the number. So the difference between 65 and 56 is 9. So if we multiply 7236 by the number 9, we will get the difference which is created here. So answer is equal to 7236 multiply by 9. So answer will be 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry, 9 3 are 27 plus 5 32, 3 carry, 9 2 are 18 plus 3 21, 2 carry, 7 9 are 63 plus 2 65. So the difference here is 65,124. If we do it by long method, it will take a long time, so it's easier for us to do in this method. Total shirt stitch, total cloth required for the shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be remain and how much length would it be left? Here beta both the units are given in meters, so first we have to convert both of them into centimeters as mentioned in the question. So 40 meter is equal to 40 multiplied by 100, so it is equal to 4000 centimeters, and 2 meters 15 centimeter is equal to 200 plus 15 centimeter, so it is equal to 215 centimeter. So number of shirts stitched is equal to total cloth divided by cloth required by one shirt, so that is 4,000 divided by 215. Here we have divided it by 5, so 43 and 400. If we divide 800 by 43, we will get 18 point something, and we can say here 18 point something, so 18 shirts can be stitched in a hole, and full shirts we can stitch. Medicines is packed in a box, each weighing 4 kg and 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which can carry 800 kg? So 800 kg total capacity of the van. So 800 into thousand, we are going to convert it into grams, so it is 8 lakh grams. And weight for each box 4 kg and 500 grams, so it is 4000 plus 500, so it is 4500 grams for each box. So number of boxes is equal to total capacity upon capacity of one box. So it is 8 lakh divided by 4500. We can cut out zeros directly, 2 zeros. Five nines are 5, 160. So it is 1600 by 9 left. Divided by 9, so it is equal to 177.777. So we can say approximately 177 boxes can be packed in the one. The total distance the school and the house for the students is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day he takes a walk both ways, means he goes to the school and comes back from the school both ways. We have to find out the total distance traveled by her in 6 days. So distance each day for each day is 1875 into 2, means from home to school one way and from school to home back way. In Gujarati we can say જવાનું અને આવવાનું બંને ડિસ્ટન્સ કાઉન્ટ કરવું પડશે. So it is 1875 multiply by 2. So it is 37500. Now for 3750 multiply by 6 days. So it is equal to 6 0s are 0, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45, carry 4, 6 is 18 plus 4 22. So the final answer will be 22500. So it is equal to, if we convert it into kilometers, so we will get 22 kilometers and 500 meters. Kilometer and 500 meters. Or we can also write down 22.5 kilometers directly into kilometers. Now 12. A vessel has 4 liter 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? Curd in a vessel means total curd. So it is 4500 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml if you remember it. And capacity of one glass is 25 ml. So number of glasses filled, we have to find out how many glasses can be filled from the total liquid or total curd. So it is equal to total curd divided by capacity of one glass. So 4500 divided by 25. So it is 25 180. Final answer would be 180. So 180 glasses can be filled from the total curd. So the